Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Redmi Note 13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Redmi Note 13 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Redmi Note 13 settings section. After click over there, we will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here connection and sharing. After click over connection and sharing, screen going to appear just like this. You need to click here portable hotspot. After click over portable hotspot, screen going to be appear. If you decide to turn on portable hotspot, you can simply turn this on. Now you might be wondering what is the Wi-Fi name and password. So for that you will find here something says set up portable hotspot. From here we will see our Wi-Fi name. You can easily rename whatever you want, and here's the password. If you decide to change any password you want, you can easily type any password. Also there is some other like security WPS person keep as it is, and then also you can hide it SSD also. If you want, you can do that. After that you can just simply turn on. Now you can see I had successfully turned on portable hotspot in my Redmi Note 13. Now my friends and family, they can easily get Wi-Fi from my phone. Now if you decide to turn off portable hotspot, you need to click in your Redmi Note 13 settings section. After click over there, we will find there something say portable hotspot. Now if you decide to turn off portable hotspot, you can simply turn this off. Now you can see I have successfully turned off portable hotspot in my Redmi Note 13. Also there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off portable hotspot. For that you need to swipe down just like this and then press left to right, and then we'll find there is a portable hotspot. If I click over there, immediately my phone going to be turned on portable hotspot. Also we can see in this status bar there is a hotspot icon. If you decide to turn off portable hotspot, you can again go down there and swipe right to left, and then we will find here hotspot. You can simply turn this off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off portable hotspot in your Redmi Note 13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.